Hello everyone. We had a major milestone in space exploration occur on Christmas Day with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. The doors on the final assembly building at the European Space Agency Spaceport, located in the Guiana Space Center in Kourou, French Guiana, opened, revealing the Arianespace Ariane 5 rocket carrying the James Webb Space Telescope. Ariane's Ariane 5 rocket, with NASA's James Webb Space Telescope on board, was rolled out to the launch pad on Thursday, December 23rd, to get set for its launch on December 25th. Welcome to Reaching for the Moon, hosted by me, Ed Grace. With the successful launch of the James Webb Space Telescope recently, a new era of space exploration has begun. The launch date of the James Webb Space Telescope is more than 30 years since the Hubble Space Telescope was deployed by the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990 into a low Earth orbit just above the Earth's atmosphere at an altitude of approximately 340 miles. Named in honor of the trailblazing astronomer Edwin Hubble, the Hubble Space Telescope is a large space-based observatory which has revolutionized astronomy since its launch. Far above the clouds, light pollution, and atmospheric distortions, the Hubble has a crystal clear view of the universe. Scientists have used Hubble to observe some of the most distant stars and galaxies yet seen, as well as the planets in our solar system. Hubble completes one orbit every 95 minutes. When Hubble was launched in 1990, it was expected to have a lifespan of about 15 years. Largely because of 5 astronaut successful servicing missions to the telescope, Hubble's technology has been upgraded and improved, and the telescope remains scientifically productive to this day. All indications are that the Hubble will continue operating into the late 2020s and possibly beyond. Some notable technological happenings that occurred in 1990, which is the year that the Hubble Space Telescope was put into Earth orbit. Microsoft issued their version 3.0 of its Windows operating system in 1990. And the CERN laboratory, located in Geneva, Switzerland, published the first web browser, and the World Wide Web was born. Look how much technology has advanced since then, and we can assume the James Webb Space Telescope will provide a corresponding increase in functionality over the Hubble Space Telescope. Our astronomers and scientists cannot wait for the James Webb Space Telescope to get operational. The technological advances of the James Webb Space Telescope are huge, and its findings right now are unpredictable. Only time will tell us what new discoveries are going to be made using the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is going to take about 13 days to unfold. The telescope is going to reach its final orbit, which is the second Sun-Earth Lagrange point, which is about a month after launch. It will then be and remain approximately 940,000 miles from Earth. For the first few months after launch, all equipment and systems on board is going to be tested by the ground to verify they're all working properly. Finally, the James Webb Space Telescope will begin its scientific operations about 6 months after launch. The James Webb Space Telescope is a large infrared telescope with a 21-foot primary mirror. The observatory will study every phase of cosmic theory, from within our solar system to the most distant observable galaxies in the early universe. It replaced the Hubble Space Telescope as the most powerful space telescope in existence. I have a short NASA video clip that I'd like to share with you on the James Webb Space Telescope. Here it is.
We have uncovered wonders undreamt by our ancestors who first speculated on the nature of those wandering lights in the night sky. We've crossed the solar system and sent ships to the stars. But we continue to search. We can't help it. A central element of the human future lies far beyond the Earth. If we crave some cosmic purpose, then let us find ourselves a worthy goal.
Well, that ends today's video, which I hope you enjoyed. We will continue to keep you updated on the progress of the James Webb Telescope mission. Hit the like button as well as the subscribe and notification buttons to receive an email every time Reaching for the Moon posts a new video. Thank you for watching, and remember always, failure is not an option. Bye.